Where to find Clickbank affiliate ID. Why it matters. This is going to be a simple short video really, and that is the question, where do you find your Clickbank affiliate ID? Well, to keep it very simple, you log into Clickbank, you go, and as you can see on the screen, I'm at my dashboard. From the dashboard, go to Accounts, and the nickname is actually your Clickbank ID. It's that simple. How do you use it? What's it for? All that kind of stuff. Well, let's look at that a little bit. Okay, so number one, if you want to create a new nickname, a new affiliate ID, what if you want one affiliate ID to be focused on one type of product, for example? You see? So you might want more than one. You go and you click create an account. What kind of an account do you want to create? Vendor, affiliate, combo. Maybe you want an affiliate and a vendor. And then it says here, it says they have seasonal, joint venture, or other. And like just test, I'm just testing around and stuff. Pretty cool. But that nickname that you type in here is going to be the affiliate ID. How do you use it? Well, whenever you find a Clickbank product that you want to promote so that you can make money by promoting something as an affiliate, you need that affiliate ID. You need the nickname. And all you do is you find the product that you want to promote and you click on promote. And you type in your nickname. And it says account nickname here. But sometimes what happens is someone will say, hey, you can promote my product. Just replace these X's in a URL or something with your affiliate ID. And if it's Clickbank, the affiliate ID is the nickname. There's also this tracking ID that's optional. I made a video about Clickbank hops. Watch that video. It could help you understand tracking IDs and how to use them, and even goes into an example and some details and shows you live how it works. After you put your affiliate ID here, you click generate hop links, and a URL is created that basically has your affiliate ID, your Clickbank affiliate ID, tied into the URL. And then this URL is the one that you copy and you use in your blog post or wherever you want to promote the product. That's the URL you use. And that way, when someone clicks on that link, the vendor knows that you're the one who's getting credit for promoting it. And Clickbank knows who to pay the money to for the commission. That's it. I've made a few different videos about Clickbank, including about Clickbank hops, about the links, about tracking IDs. That's in that same video. There's a different video about gravity and stuff like that. What is that? It's good stuff to learn about. I also have other links of different information or products that you might be interested in the description as well. I hope this has helped in some ways. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the description section below, and I'll respond to them. And please subscribe to my channel.